Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a fire text animations in CapCut. So if you want to do the fire animations on the text, you can easily use the text template. So if you guys didn't know, you can just go to text. Here at the top, go to text and find the preset. See on the text template. Just find the category Sparks. So let's scroll down. Okay, this one Spark. So under the Spark category, there will be lots of fire or flame text animations that you can use, and you can just select the text that you like the best. Okay, so for example, here I'm going to use this one. So let's download the text template first. Click on the arrow down and wait until the text is downloaded. So click on the plus icon, and this is the text template, and you can just replace the text with your own text. So for example, in here, I'm going to just write fire animation, and this is the result. So you can adjust the size so that it fits into the canvas. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click on the thanks button.